In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Steam Chat. To get started on a PC, open the Steam app. Once the client is up on your desktop, look for the Friends and Chat button. Depending on your layout, you'll see it either along the top bar or tucked neatly in the bottom right corner of the window. Give that button a click and Steam will bring up your chat interface. This is the hub where you can see your online status, browse your contacts, and quickly jump into conversations without leaving your games or library. When the chat window opens, you'll notice your profile picture and a list of your friends, each with a status indicator so you can tell who's online, away, or in a game. If the panel is docked or minimized, clicking Friends and Chat again will expand it so you can view everything clearly. Think of this space as your control center for staying connected while you game. Next, start a chat with a friend. Open your friends list within this window to see everyone you've added on Steam. The list can be scrolled, and there's a search field at the top if you have a lot of contacts. Find the person you want to talk to and click their name. The moment you do, a chat box opens automatically. You'll usually see the friend's avatar, their current status, and the conversation area ready for your message. Now type your message in the text field at the bottom of that chat box, then press enter to send it. Your message will appear in the conversation history, and if your friend is online, you may see a typing indicator or a quick reply come in. Keep an eye on connection icons or brief prompts at the top of the window that confirm when messages are delivered, especially if your network is busy. If you're multitasking, the chat window can stay open alongside your library so you can keep the conversation going while you browse games. That's all there is to it. Open the Steam app, click Friends and Chat to bring up the chat window, open your friends list, select a friend, type your message, and press enter. With these basics, you can reach out to teammates before a match, say hello to friends, or coordinate your next co-op session quickly and reliably using Steam Chat.